So today guys, we are going to be making a Greek salad. It's going to be amazing, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Greek salad. Really quick, really simple to do, and it's so delicious. You really need to make this. So all the ingredients for this recipe are here. As per usual, don't worry if you do miss these. I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check out there for them. Do remember to comment, like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. In the meantime guys, we're going to crack on and we're going to make a Greek salad. It's going to be epic. So the first thing we need to do is we need to grab our glass bowl, and then what we want to do is we want to take our tomatoes, and what we're going to do is we're going to quarter these. So we're just going to take the tomatoes off of the vine. It's always better to get vine-ripened tomatoes. They've got a little bit more flavour, a little bit more sugar, so a little bit more sweeter. Always like to get cherry tomatoes over the big tomatoes as well. They're just nicer. So once you've done that, all you need to do is we're going to cut the big ones into quarters. Pop those into our bowl, just like that. So as you can see, we've got a nice amount of quarter tomatoes in here. So we're just going to place our bowl over there for the time being, and what we need to do now is we need to take our cucumber and we're going to chop this in half. So we're going to take a peeler, we're just going to peel our cucumber. The cucumber skin is quite bitter and we don't want that in our Greek salad. Let's just peel that off quickly, lovely. Now we're going to just chop off the end. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut it straight in half. Like that. Open it up. So we're going to grab a spoon and we're just going to pull the seeds out. Just like that. So what we're going to do is take our large knife and we're going to cut this into 4 or 5 pieces. Just like that. Do the same with this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut these to roughly the same size as the tomatoes. So what we're going to do now is just pop these in with our tomatoes. So the next thing we've got our onion. We're just going to cut this straight down the middle. Open it up, chop off the end. We are going to peel it. Something's going to make me cry, I can tell. And then we're just going to take our sharp little knife and start chopping this up. So the reason why I've cut this up really small like this is because onion's got really powerful flavour and you don't want it to overpower the other delicate flavours in your Greek salad. I'm just going to take this onion and move that into there. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take an olive, just slice this up into 4 pieces. 3 or 4 pieces is good. Again, you want to use Kalamata olives for these. Don't get the normal black ones. Well, you can if you want, but it works better with the Kalamata. I think I pronounced that right. Now they're all cut up, just going to put these into our salad. And all we need to do now is we need to give it a nice mix. Right, so there's a couple of things missing from this. We're going to pop in some thyme, we're going to throw in some olive oil, and then we're going to crumble feta all over the top, and that's our Greek salad done. And then we're going to sit there and tuck into it. Well, you're not, I am. So yeah, let's grab some thyme. What we want to do is just want to pick off all the leaves. Best thing to do, hold the head and just pull straight down. So now we've picked the leaves up, I'm just going to gently chop them. So scoop these up, let's pop these in. So yeah guys, we're going to take some olive oil. We are just going to drizzle this all over the top. Lovely. So now what we need to do is we're going to season with salt. Take some white pepper. White pepper's nice and fiery. And we're just going to take our spatula and just give that a nice mix. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our feta cheese, take it out of the bowl, just cut this into cubes. Around. Lovely. Feta cheese, really tangy. And all we're going to do now, guys, is put it all over the top. So yeah, guys, that's how you make a beautiful Greek salad. It's absolutely delicious, really simple, really quick to do, and no cooking. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which is every Thursday and Sunday, 8 o'clock. I'm going to tuck into this, so take care of yourselves, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.